This 2024 East to West Takoda 350th is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Cleburne, Texas, 76031 and is offered for sale by Funtown RV, Cleburne. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new East to West is 41 feet 0 inches in length and features a Barrington Maple interior, sleeps 8, Slideout, and 150 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, bunkhouse, front bedroom, kitchen island, loft, 2 entry/exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.